Good morning, children. Joyadash here. Today we will do exercise 14.6 from your practical geometry, and this is the last exercise. So here you will learn a very important things, how to draw the following angles which you have drawn before by using protractor. But now this time you will draw these angles by using compass and ruler only, ruler and compass. So how to draw the angles 60 degree, 120 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree and 135 degree. These angles you have to draw only. This is a question. Now I will start question number A, 60 degree. Now how to draw? First you take the one line, say one line you have draw, you take as you want to draw 60 degree angle. So draw one line and put a dot where you want to make the vertex of the angle. Now take any arc, any measurement of the arc you take and put the pointer over here and draw the arc. Draw the arc. Understood? And then with the same measurement, you don't change the measurement. When what you have drawn in this way, you don't change the measurement, and with the same measurement, what you will do, you will put the pointer on the line where the arc has met. Here you will put the pointer and mark one arc, another arc. What we have done? First I have taken any arc, then I put my pointer on the one end of the line, then I have drawn one arc like this. Then the pointer I will put on the line where the arc has joined. Then in that point I will put the pointer and I will mark one arc. Is that clear? Then what I will do, I will make one dot over here. Okay. Then you have to join these two dots and increase it. Understood? This is 60 degree. If you measure this, you will get that it is 60 degree. Let's try. See, measure this angle. Can you see? This is 60 degree. From it is 0 and this one is 60 degree. See, exactly 60 degree. Can you see? This is the line and this is 60 degree angle. You can see it is nicely, it is exactly 60 degree angle. Okay. So by using compass and ruler, we can draw the angles like 60 degree. Now I have to draw angle 120 degree. How to draw angle 120 degree? The same way as I have drawn 60 degree angle, the same way I will draw 120 degree angle. Again I am measuring, I am taking one angle, one line, and where I want to make the angle, I will put one dot here. Okay. Now with I am taking one arc, and with the same arc, what I will do, I will draw the arc slightly larger now, because 120 I need now 120, which is obtuse angle. With the same arc, what I am doing, with the same point where the arc has made the line, I will put the pointer here. This is one mark, and again I will put the pointer here. I will put another mark. Then what I have done, the first step of 60 degree you know how to draw. Then I will put the pointer again over here and I will mark another arc. Okay. Now I have to join this point and this point. These two I have to join now. Sorry, these two I have to join so that I can get 120 degree angle. Let's check by using protractor. Check it is 120 degree angle or not. Exactly 120 degree angle. You can see, students, This is exactly 120 degree. This our point is here. Our point is here. See, can you see the line? Our point is exactly on 120 degree. If you put the vertex properly, you can see that it is exactly 120 and it is exactly on 0. This is on 0 and it is exactly 120 degree. Okay. Next angle is 90 degree. Very important. So now you have to draw 90 degree angle. Question number C, you have to draw 90 degree angle now. How to draw 90 degree angle? Again take one line. You can take line segment, you can take line also, anything you can take, but we have to concentrate the angle only. I have taken one line. Now I will draw 90 degree. I will not draw at the end. It will be easy for you to measure. So I am taking here any point on the line, but I am not drawing this time. I am not drawing at the end. You can draw, but when you will measure, it will be easy for you. That's why I am taking. Now taking with the same measurement. Any arc I am taking with this arc, draw 180 degree angle. This is, draw this half circle. After that, with the same measurement as you have drawn before for 60 degree angle, draw this one, then draw this one for 60 degree and 60 degree, 120 degree as you have done. Now for 90 degree you have to do another stage also. What you will do? You will do here, put with the same measurement, you will put your pointer once here and then second time here. First you put the pointer over here and draw one arc, and second time you will put the pointer here and draw another arc. Okay, in this way you have to draw the arc. What you have done? First you have drawn one half circle to touch the arc both the side of the line. After touching it, what you have done? Take this arc, with the same arc you have cut as you have done in 60 degree. Then put your pointer over here, draw another arc which you have done in 120 degree angle. Then you will put one mark here and put your pointer over here, another arc is here. After that, what you will do? You have to put one dot over here and join this line. Join this line and obviously produce it also. Join these two points and produce it. Full line, not dotted line. Give full line and produce it. What angle you have drawn? Want to see? Yes, you can see now. Can you see what angle you have drawn? From close you can see that it is exactly 90 degree. Yes students? Okay. Now today on up to here only 60 degree, 120 degree and 90 degree. Next day we will do the angle 30 degree, 45 degree and 135 degree. Today up to here only. I hope all of you will enjoy this drawing. Be careful when you are using compasses and the sharp pen. You will handle very carefully. Thank you students.